Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will see MCQs on the chapter light. So let us start. Question number 1 is, dentist use dash type of mirror, concave, convex, both or none. Right option is option number first, concave. See question number 2, the side mirrors of the car and the rear view mirror of the car are made of concave, convex, both or none. Right option is option number 2, convex. Third question is, in the mirror back surface is painted with bromine, silver, copper or none. Right option is option number 2, silver. Now see question number 4. On a rainy day, small oil films on water shows brilliant color. This is due to the scattering, dispersion, interference or none. The right option is option number C, interference. Now see question number 5. Sky appears blue due to dispersion, scattering, reflection or none. The right option is option number 2, scattering. See question number 6. Power of the concave lens is positive, negative, neutral or none. The right option is option number 2. Power of concave lens is negative. 7th question is about the power of convex lens is positive, negative, both or none. The right option is option number first. Power of the convex lens is positive, while that of concave lens is negative. True statement about the plane mirror is, focal length is at infinity, magnification is equal to 1. Image format is always virtual, erect, laterally inverted or all of the above. The correct option is option number D. All of these are correct. Focal length is at infinity, magnification is equal to 1, image is always virtual, erect and laterally inverted. Now see question number 8. Mirror used in the automobile, headlight or torch light is concave, convex, both or none. The right option is option number first, concave. Now see question number 9. A medium in which the speed of light is more is known as rarer medium, denser medium, both or none. The right option is option number first, rarer medium. See question number 10. In the absence of the Earth's atmosphere, sky would appear black, white, green or blue. First one is the correct option, black. 11th question is, photoelectric effect shows the dash nature of the light, particle nature, wave nature, both or none. Right option is option number first. Photoelectric effect shows particle nature of the light. See question number 12. Light travels fastest in solid, liquid, glass or vacuum. Light travels fastest in the vacuum, whereas sound does not travel through the vacuum. Now see question number 13. Time taken by the light to reach the earth is 8.3 seconds, 8.3 minutes, 8.3 hours or none. Right option is option number 2, 8.3 minutes. Now see question number 14. A light year is the unit of distance, time, frequency or none. Option first is the correct option, distance. See question number 15. Myopia can be corrected by concave lens, convex lens, both or none. Right option is option number first, concave lens. Remember this way, myopia, mycave. Remember mycave, myopia, concave lens. Hypermetropia is corrected by using convex lens, concave lens, both or none. Right option is option number 2, first, convex lens. Hypermetropia is corrected by convex lens. So question number 17. To an astronaut, sky appears blue, brown, black or white. To an astronaut, sky appears black. C option is the correct option. Now see question number 18. A water tank appears shallower when it is viewed from the top due to the reflection, refraction, scattering or none. Right option is option number 2, refraction. Now see question number 19. Correct about the myopia is, far point of the eye is near than infinity. Image is formed in front of retina occurs due to the excessive curvature of the eyeball. The right option is option number D. All of the above are correct. Far point of the eye is nearer than infinity, while that of the normal eye is at infinity. Image is formed at in front of retina, while that of the image formation in the myopia is at in front of the retina, whereas in case of normal eye is forms on retina, occurs due to excessive elongation of eyeball. Excessive elongation of eyeball. So here question number 20 is, in hypermetropia image is formed in front, behind, both or none. In hypermetropia image is formed behind the retina. Question number 21. Persistence of vision, that is, image stay on the retina is of dash seconds. What is meant by the persistence of vision? Image stay on the retina. And the persistence of vision is 1 by 10th of the second, 1 by 16th of the second, 1 by 20th of the second, or 1 by 100th. Right option is option number first, 1 by 16th of the second. See question number 22. Dash controls the amount of light entering eye. Iris, cornea, pupil, or none. The right option is option number first, iris. See question number 23. Dash can see color. Rods, cones, both, or none. Cones is the right option. See a line here between the cone for the cones and rods. Cones are sensitive for the bright light, whereas rods are sensitive to the dim light. So remember this line. See question number 24. Ability of the eye to distinguish. Eye is here. Two closely placed objects is persistence of vision, resolving power, both or none. Right option is option number second, resolving power. Whereas image stay on the retina is known as, for how long it will stay on the retina, it is known as the persistence of vision. 25th question is, a color blind person cannot distinguish between red and blue, red and green, black and blue, or none. Option number second is the correct, red and green. Now see question number 26. An object in the opticals having high refractive index is optically called optically denser, optically rarer, optical density, or none. Right option is option number first. An object in the opticals having higher refractive index is referred to as optically denser. 27th question is, twinkling of the stars is due to total internal reflection, dispersion, atomic refraction, atmospheric refraction, or none. Right option is option number C. Twinkling of stars is due to the atmospheric refraction. Now see question number 28. Unit of the power is meter, diopter, ampere. The right option is option number second, diopter. Whereas ampere is that of current, meter is that of distance. And remember, power is equal to 1 divided by F, where F is in the meters. If power is negative, then it is concave lens. If power is positive, then it is convex lens. See question number 29. Speed of light in vacuum is. We saw earlier that speed of the light is maximum in vacuum. And what is it? It is 3 into 10 raised power 8 meters per second. Take care of units. Now see question number 30. In case of reflection of light, the angle of incidence is I and angle of reflection is R. R related as I is equal to R, I is greater than R, I is less than R, or none. The right option is option number first. I is equal to R. Angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. This is the law of reflection. I hope you have got all the 30 MCQs. If you feel any kind of mistake, please comment. Also, I request you subscribe the channel. That is the best way to say thanks to me.